Hello students, welcome to your GK class. Today we are going to learn about fruity facts. This is chapter number 19, page 33. We are going to learn about the fruity facts. According to biology, what is a fruit? A fruit is you can say a seed bearing structure. Most of the fruits have seeds, na? As far as I know, bananas don't have. Otherwise, most of the fruits have this seed, and biology teaches us that all the structures that have seed, that bear seed, are fruits. Okay, and some facts are that you may have seen green apples or green fruits. Green fruits, children, they help you make your bones strong. They are very rich in calcium. They help you to make your bones strong, and we'll read about some interesting facts in this chapter. You should, before starting this, I have a few facts. Actually, you may have seen pumpkin, you may have seen avocados. These all are also not vegetables, they are also fruits. Okay, you should know that. And you may have heard about figs. Figs are really nutritious. Half a cup of fig has as much calcium as half a cup of milk. Okay, so fruits are very nutritious, and during this time of pandemic, it's when we are already aware that immunity should be really good. We should include fruits in our diet on daily basis. We should consume fruits and green vegetables. We should build up our immunity to stay strong. Okay, if in case, God forbid, if we are affected, then also we are capable enough to fight against the disease. Okay, now let us read about the fruity facts, means the facts, amazing facts about some fruits of the world. First is apples, peaches and raspberries are members of the rose family. There is a family, terms for families, not different families, different categories. So these apples and peaches and raspberries are the members of the rose family. Okay, next is the world's most popular fruit. The most popular fruit in the world is tomato. You can also say tomato or tomato as you wish. There is no problem. There are different pronunciations. Okay, so the world's most popular fruit is the tomato. Now, square watermelons. I have not seen square watermelons. I have only seen a round one and that oval shaped one. Now, square watermelons are grown in Japan for easier stack and store. See, these Japanese have their means they are really good in techniques and technology. Now, maybe they have found out a way and they grow the watermelons, children, which are square, because easy. It's very easy. You can stack them now, one above another. So it's easy for them to stack. So they have developed the square watermelons, and this is the fact. I guess I did not know. Now, after that, you have the Cocoderma palm tree has the earth's largest fruit, and the weight of that fruit is 17 kg. So, Cocoderma palm tree. This tree has the earth's largest fruit. You can see the fruit, it's given in this picture. This large, and the weight of the fruit is 17 kg. If we go to the market to purchase fruit, we buy a kilo, maybe 2 kilos and maximum 5 kilos of fruit. Okay, but here the one fruit itself weighs 17 kgs. It's too much now. Now the next fact is that fruit salad trees found in Australia grow 3 to 6 different types of fruits all on one tree. How do you prepare a fruit salad? How do you prepare a vegetable salad? You include many types of vegetables in it. Na? So it becomes a salad. You include many types of fruits and becomes a fruit salad. So there is this fruit salad tree. Means one tree, it has 3 to 6 different types of fruit. Different types of fruit are grown in one tree. That is why this interesting name has been given to the fruit tree. That is fruit salad tree. Fine. Next fact is strawberries actually have more vitamin C than oranges. You know that all citrus fruit, they are rich in vitamin C. Okay, so these fruits, children, they are rich in vitamin C, and this strawberry actually has more vitamin C than oranges. Okay, pineapples were very expensive in 1700s, years back. Okay, these pineapples were so expensive, and American colonists would rent a pineapple and carry it around in a party to show their wealth. This is really funny, isn't it? That people used to rent the pineapple and they used to carry it and show it in the parties to show that they were really wealthy. This was the cost of the pineapple in those days, 1700. Okay. Now the durian fruit. What is this durian fruit? You can see it's the largest fruit, children. Okay, known as the smelliest fruit because it has such strong odor. Strong odor it has. It is so stinky that in parts of Asia, it is not allowed to be taken on buses or into hotels. Okay, it has, you can see the rind, it's thorn covered rind. It's very large, it's very stinky, it gives a very strong odor, and this fruit is known as the smelliest fruit. It smells a lot. The odor is really strong, and it stings so much. It stings so much that in Asia, that is our continent, it is not allowed. It is not allowed to be taken on buses or in hotels. People have a problem with that smell, that odor. So this is not allowed. Okay. The next chapter that we have is Turtle Haven, where turtles live. Okay. We have a large number of marine creatures. Marine creatures means underwater creatures are found in the depth of oceans and seas. And these are the statements, and we have to try to identify the turtles found in the Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Let's do it. It is the largest and the rarest of the sea turtles. It has a leathery covering instead of a shell. It lives mainly on jellyfish. It eats jellyfish, and the thing is that it does not have this shell. It has a leathery covering, a leather in place of the shell. Okay, the name itself suggests, now already you have been told that it has a leathery covering, so it will be a leatherback turtle. Write it down, children. Leatherback turtle. The second one, it takes its name from the green of its shell and flesh. It feeds mainly on the marine algae and seagrass. So the name of this turtle is the green turtle. Write it down. The green turtle. The hints are there. You will easily recognize the names. The third one, children, it gets its name because of the bird-like beak and head, and it lives mainly on coral reefs and nests on the shores of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You know, because of the bill, it will be known as the hawk-bill turtle. Hawk-bill turtle. Write it down. Now the next is, it is the smallest sea turtle in the world. It feeds on jellyfish, shrimp, crabs and snail, and the name of this turtle is Olive Ridley. Olive Ridley. Now there are two facts. See, the Galapagos giant tortoise weighs up to 225 kgs and it lives more than 100 years. It's interesting to know now. And a leatherback turtle can grow to be twice as heavy as a polar bear. Polar bears, you may have seen, they are so plump and they are so heavy, and this leatherback turtle can be twice as heavy as the polar bear. Then you have turtles, tortoises and terrapins. Belong to a group of four-legged reptiles. A turtle is a sea reptile, tortoise is a land reptile, and terrapin is a freshwater reptile. So this is the end of this chapter. We have finished chapter 19 and 20, that is amazing fruit facts and the turtle havens. After this we will do amazing world of birds, but that will continue in our next class. Keep on doing your work, children, and do take care of yourselves.